welcome in Newtown. This wonderful home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, nearly renovated. It is investment like never before. If you're a first-time homeowner, you want to put your own stuff, this one is it. This is the best bushveld address near Conakry. 200 square meters. And if you look at the land, it's a whopping 883 square meters with backup water and an extra study.